How to make paella. Step 1. Ingredients. For the ingredients of our paella, we're going to need 1 red pepper, some carrots, an onion, some broccoli, smoked paprika, broth, 2 cups of peas, 1 cup of rice, some garlic, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt, and pepper. Step 2. Chopping. Now that we have all our vegetables chopped, we can start cooking. Step 3. Cooking. Now we're going to heat our pan by lighting the stove. And we're going to put some olive oil in. Now we're going to put the onions into the pan. If you hear that sizzling sound, then you're doing it right, because that means the pan is well heated and the onions are cooking. Then you want to spread them around with preferably a wooden spoon. Now we're going to put in our peppers, but before that, we're going to have to add salt and pepper to the onions. You want a little pinch of salt, spread it around, and then just a tiny little bit of pepper all around. Then you want to mix it around to make sure that it gets everywhere. And then you're going to want to put in your peppers just right on top. And you're going to want to do the same thing you did with those onions. I'm going to add some smoked paprika to really make the dish pop. Here you can see. So I'm going to be really generous with this because I like my paprika on the paella. After you're done that, you're going to want to add your carrots as the third phase. And mix it around just like you did with the onions and the peppers. Here you can see that the onions are really getting golden brown, which you want to have. Now, after you've added the peppers, onions, and the carrots, you're going to want to add a medium spoonful of garlic and a cup of rice right on top of it. And then mix it around. After you've added all your rice and mixed it a bit, then you're going to want to add 2 cups of broth. Make sure not to spill. And there we go. And mix, mix, mix. Now we're going to wait 5 minutes to put in the broccoli and wait for the rice to cook. And while you're doing that, paella can be sometimes a messy dish, so you always want to remember to keep your station clean. Now, for our final phase, we're going to add broccoli and peas. And then just let them settle. Maybe spread them out. But now we're going to wait 10 minutes and our paella will be ready. Step 4. Garnish, serve, and enjoy. Okay, so here we're going to be serving the paella. So I'm going to grab a little bit from the edge. We got to turn off the stove first, of course. Now that it's turned off, we're going to grab like a little bit from the edge here. Put it right here. And we're going to use this truffle oil from Italy. Just a couple tiny little drops on it. And now, bon appetit. Thank you for watching even though you were forced to, and remember to hit the like button.